What's up, y'all? We're back in ISIS, my oasis on wheels, and I have just made several purchases, including this beautiful dual hand vac and blower. We can pump up inflatable things, and also vacuum, which we desperately need in here. As you can see, if you maybe you can't, there's still like a whole lot of dust here. It's pretty nasty. Needs to be like ripped up though. I'm just gonna vacuum it over, and look at all that dog hair on the chair. Whee! So we're gonna get that. I also just got done removing one of the feet on this futon that I got yesterday. That is so that it will lay evenly here on top of this steering wheel, because the back foot, I believe, did not fit here in this little space between the tire and the closet. So yeah, I wanted to take that off so that it'll fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up as much as I can, get in these cabinets as well. I just opened this straight up at the box, so hopefully it's got enough charge so that I can get some stuff done. Let's go. See if this spot will hold if I can. Oh, let's try this spot. Let's try this spot. Yay, let's go. It's working. Better than nothing. I mean, it was like 30 bucks. We might return it, but we'll at least give it a good try. Check it out. Keep going. I think we're gonna need a lint roller to get some of this hair off of the chair. I'm like in my storage unit, but this will definitely get into the little cabinet. Look at that sucker, almost all full. Y'all, I keep forgetting how fucking dirty my hands are. My vacuum just died and ran out of power, so we're gonna stop vacuuming for a moment. Sorry, someone's rolling by with their loud ass cart. And I'm gonna run inside and get my speaker, and we're gonna start mopping. Let's go. All right. Just met this really nice lady who she'll actually need some help moving. She's got to move this weekend. If I want to make some extra cash, I could help her out. She just needs some help. So that's cool, because I actually need some cash, like that. Because my last part-time gig I had actually just had a bunch of budget cuts. I was working for the county, as some of you may know, and the position that I had as a community worker was just let go, like removed from several departments. So anyway, moving forward, that just happened, and now we are going to clean the countertops. So I just sprayed, and I'm just gonna spray and wipe down everything real good. Honestly, couldn't ask for better weather to do this. The breeze is bussin'. Sun is out, but it's not too fucking hot. Wear a mat in the shade. Just finished wiping down and vacuuming the back side of this futon. Now I got it laid out. Looking at it, it looks like I still have a good amount of walking space right here. Just enough to walk through. Open up the fridge. Pop back on the bed, you feel me? Kick back. So right now, I'm just doing a surface wipe, and believe me, this shit needs it. Look at this. Let me give you guys a little example. Okay, that was from 0.2 seconds of wiping. Now watch this. Looking better already. And smelling better. I think these people had cats, because there was like a bunch of like cat vomit on the back. And there's definitely lots of fur. Really needed this clean. Just not getting on nothing used without a deep clean first. Disgusting! But also satisfying, am I right? Pop it back up. Oh, I'm sweating. Bam. Oh no, I should turn this around so that can be that way, you feel me? Oh, it's a lot of work right now. I think I have to like take it out and come back in. So for now, I'm just gonna do couch mode. I mean, it looks about the same, but now it should be even because I took the foot off of the back left corner there. So this is where I'll leave it, just slightly in front of the wall, so that, you know, when I'm ready to put it down, I'll probably still have to move it out a little bit, but just while we're cleaning, we're gonna push it up actually. And voila! Y'all, yeah, if you can't tell by my hair, it has been a long few hours. I think I got here at like 1:30, maybe 2. It's like 4:30 now. But let me show you what we got done, y'all. We have now washed the floors. We have scrubbed some walls. Not all of them. There's still, believe it or not, more to do. We have started to hang a curtain rod quite crookedly. Gonna probably have to redo that, but take a look. Crooked. Clean floors. Clean couch. Clean welcome mat. Vacuumed out all of these little cabinets, dusted up here. Some cleaning supply storage or temporary storage, some shelving. I haven't cleaned in here yet.